Hey, what's going on? Dave Erickson here, and today I have the 2021 R-Pod from Forest River. This is the Hood River edition. And my buddy Tracy over at Brett's RV and Marine here in Missoula, Montana was kind enough to give me a tour of this and show me what's special about it so I can share it with you. Let's get started.
Hey everybody, this is Tracy Rebish with Brett's RV and Marine here in beautiful Missoula, Montana. And today we're talking about the R-Pod by Forest River. This specific model is the 171. This is the smallest one that they build. So it's 6.5 feet wide and right around 19 feet overall length. And we're staying around that 2,700 pound range. So if you're gonna be towing it with a smaller vehicle, this is the perfect one for you. The thing about this one is it's the Hood River edition. So it's made for people that wanna get off the pavement, get back into the backcountry a little bit. You can cover some rough terrain. Part of that is they build these on torsion axles. I know a lot of the trailers you look at out there are gonna be leaf spring axles. And the leaf spring axle is fine, but this one it costs more and it gives you independent suspension as well as 3 inches of more clearance. It's a smoother ride, so if you wanna go on off-road and go a little faster, you're not gonna open the door and find your cabinets laying on the ground in here. The other thing they do at the Hood River edition is they have these meaty Westlake tires. Westlake gives them a 5-year warranty. They're a really good tire. If you're gonna be running over sharp rocks or sticks and things like that, that's the tire you're gonna wanna have. A lot of times you get these small trailers, they don't have awnings. There's an optional R-dome that Forest River makes. And how it attaches is through this track and this track. And all of a sudden you double your square footage by having the R-dome set up here. So if you're one of those people that you don't spend a lot of time inside the RV, you do a lot of stuff outside, an R-dome would be a great addition to this R-Pod trailer. The other thing that makes the R-Pod stand out, and you'll see the little sticker here, they put it on all of them, is when these companies build these sidewalls, they use a lot of wood, and that's how they're attaching the fiberglass. On the R-Pod, they're using a product called Asdale. And it's a composite panel that goes in behind the fiberglass. The advantage of that is it's lighter weight and it does not delaminate. So you've probably seen a trailer and you see a little bubble in the wall. That's because the wood has expanded and contracted over time. The glue comes loose and all of a sudden then you have a bubble that's right here, pretty visible, and can make the structural integrity of the trailer compromised over time. So by using Asdale, it makes the trailer lighter and you're just eliminating any of the wood. The other thing that's nice, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it here, but this is a fiberglass panel that goes all the way over the top. Most of the trailers you're looking at out there, they're gonna have some part of a rubber or some sort of a membrane roof that they're gonna cut out and put on there. Now you look at a $500,000 motorhome, the kind of roof they're gonna use is gonna be fiberglass. And that's what our pod is doing here, is they're just running this whole fiberglass piece. So you're getting out in the backcountry, you're going through trees, branches, you're not gonna have to worry about a puncture hole in the roof of this structure. All right, so now we're inside the R-Pod. And this is just a great area. You can fit 4 people in here if you wanna get inside, maybe it's storming out and you need to have dinner inside. You can hang out here, put the whole family here, get a beautiful view out here because they put a nice front window in here. The older R-Pods didn't have that. This is a great feature that they've added. And you get a nice tint on the windows. This also turns into a bed. So yeah, need an extra place for a couple of kids to sleep. Even a couple adults can actually lay down on this bed. It's very comfortable. And a couple other nice little things that are great in the R-Pod that you're not gonna see in a lot of other RVs is they do a central vac system. And that system is awesome. You can take your broom, you can sweep the dirt, kick this up here, sweep the dirt right in and it sucks it right out. Just like a normal vacuum, you've got the bag that you can take out, always add a new one. As far as cooking goes, it's set up nicely. You can cook outside, which most people do. There's gonna be those days when you end up cooking inside. So they set you up nicely with you have the 2-burner cooktop here. And they also do the available convection microwave. So not only is it your standard microwave, but it also cooks with heat. So you have all the abilities of home when you're out here camping. They also, the other end of the trailer, we have a queen size bed, which is very rare that you'll get one in a trailer this small. So if you're looking for a trailer with a nice, comfortable bed, the R-Pod 171 is the perfect trailer for you.
All right, that wraps up the tour of the 2021 R-Pod from Forest River, the Hood River Edition. I'm Dave Erickson here at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana. Check them out at brettsrv.com. There's a link below this video for more information about their services, inventory, both new and used, by going to brettsrv.com. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios.